Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can recover Google Drive deleted files. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in Google Drive right now, and I'm pretty sure my trash is currently empty. So let's say I accidentally deleted this here file. Just right click it, move to trash, and oh no, it is deleted. Now, to restore it, all you have to do is go over into your trash in the bottom left, as you can see here, and then you will be able to locate the file. As you can see, the files that you moved to your trash will be deleted forever after 30 days, but it really doesn't, well, matter. If it's before 30 days, you can restore it very easily. Just click on the three dots and click restore, or right click it and click restore, or you can delete it forever. I'll just restore it. And now if I go back to the folder I was at before, as you can see, the file has been restored. If you've permanently deleted it and cleared your trash, or 30 days have passed, there is no way to recover this file unless you have a separate copy somewhere else. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.